Okay, this is our new garage. All right, see a pretty white door? Okay, as I walk over here. And I enter the code. And the garage door goes up. No rusted bucket going up. And look in there. There's my car sitting in there. And this is the garage. It's a big garage. Over here is a workbench. That's a door that goes out onto the front porch area. There's the ladder to the attic. And Cindy has to fix this where the roof leaked. And that goes out to the backyard where we walk the doggies. That's Sam and Sandy's freezer, but this is the refrigerator we have. And over there, my finger keeps getting in the way, over there behind those louvered doors is the big pressure water tank. So then you just come out here, and there's the backyard where the doggies go. And over there are more blueberry fields. This is the side of the house. And there's the front yard. And then you come over here to the code box. Of course, we have remotes in the car. And you push in the code, and garage door goes down. Is that not cool? Sam saw it and he was like, that's nice. Okay, that's our newest thing.